Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the earbuds and phone. Plug the case in or ensure it has some charge. Low power prevents pairing. Once done, turn off Bluetooth on other devices to avoid accidental connections. Open the Wave 100 case with both buds inside and press, and hold the left earbud for about 2 to 3 seconds until the LED flashes. This forces the earbuds into pairing mode, which makes the phone detect them reliably. Now move to your phone and open Settings, then Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and tap Scan or Refresh so the phone searches actively. Passive scanning can miss short windows. When you see JBL Wave 100 in the list, tap it to pair and then accept any pairing prompts. Allowing media and audio permissions ensures calls and music route correctly. If pairing stalls, close the case and reopen to re-trigger the earbuds, then try selecting the device again. Finally, confirm a good connection by playing audio and checking left and right sound balance. If you lose audio or only one bud connects, put both earbuds back in the case, then hold both earbud buttons for about 10 seconds to perform a factory reset. This clears stale pairings. After reset, repeat the pairing steps. If problems persist, make sure your phone's Bluetooth firmware or OS is up to date, because software mismatches often cause connection instability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.